What's up, everybody? Mr. Harris here, coming at you with some knowledge. Now, today we're going to be talking about volume. In front of me, I have 3 containers filled with liquid. Which one do you think has the most? My first thought is, this one is clearly the tallest, so maybe this one has the most liquid. This one seems a little bit shorter, but from our discussions of area from before, we know that the base seems to be bigger. This one is somewhat in between, but it doesn't seem like it would be the tallest or the shortest, so I'm not sure about this one. Now, when we look at this jar, there's a measurement right here. I don't know if you can see it, but the liquid is right at the 200 milliliter mark. So, 200 milliliters, what does that mean? Well, 1 milliliter is 1,000th of a liter. A liter is about the size of your typical Coca-Cola. They sometimes come in 2-liter bottles. So 200 milliliters would be 200 over 1,000 milliliters per liter. That means that this is about 1/5 of a liter Coke. Remembering your guess from earlier, I'm now going to pour each of these 3 containers into one of these cups so that we can determine which one had the most. These are actually all 200 milliliter cups. Just because all of these containers were different shapes doesn't mean they contained different amounts of liquid. Volume equals base times height. This container had the largest base, but the height of the liquid to start was the lowest. This container had the medium base. That's why its height was in between that of the tall glass and the short container. This glass had the smallest base, which explains why it had the highest height to start. So next time you see your sibling with more orange juice than you at breakfast, remember, you got to consider both the base and the height of the glass. Thanks everyone for tuning in to Paraclete TV. Stay safe, stay warm. This is Mr. Harris, tuning in.